They did.
Hello, everyone. Today we will learn about the power of lightning through interesting and unique scenes. From beautiful displays of light to unexpected effects of nature, you will see the magic and sometimes danger that lightning brings. In the middle of a quiet afternoon, a bolt of lightning suddenly tore across the Arkansas sky, startling the entire family.
They did.
The roller coaster was struck by lightning, and tourists ran wild. Surely this will be a ride they will never forget.
Now we're stuck here, guys.
Mayla, stay here.
Now,
Mayla, stay here.
now we're stuck here.
A bolt of lightning hit the tree, causing it to explode like fireworks and then fall straight onto the car. Luckily, the driver had left the car just a few minutes ago. When a magnitude 5.2 earthquake struck Southern California, one mother responded quickly, helping ensure her family's safety. We're grateful for every viewer. If you enjoyed this video, consider showing some love with a super thanks. April 17th, big waves one after another crashed into Auckland's wharf, a once peaceful place that was now shaken by the fury of Storm Tam. Late-season snow showers suddenly swept across western New York, affecting traffic and daily life.
Fix the fence. Yeah, the whole fence is gone.
When Hurricane Beryl made landfall in southeast Texas, heavy rain and gusty winds quickly blanketed the area. Nature always poses risks, and caution is the best way to protect yourself. A magical moment where nature creates a light show that is both terrifying and overwhelming. A lightning strike not only hits the roof, but also wakes up the whole neighborhood in an instant. The Ring camera recorded the moment when lightning flashed like a punch of nature, making the whole space shake. Don't underestimate the power of the wind. Make sure all outdoor items are tightly secured to avoid dangerous situations.
Oh, there goes the umbrella. Oh, fuck. I closed it.
On April 20th, Rock Hill witnessed a powerful storm sweep through, causing the umbrella to fly away in strong winds.
Jesus Christ.
Please obey traffic laws to ensure the safety of yourself and everyone around you. This dog seems to like playing with water. He looks so adorable. Who would have thought that lightning could turn a house into ashes like that? Luckily, everyone was able to evacuate in time. Nature always creates unforgettable images, and this time the pancake-shaped stones emerge as works of winter art. While the match was going on, lightning suddenly struck the Spanish football field, causing the players to rush to find shelter. The tornado was as powerful as a hurricane, leaving behind nothing but debris.
Here we go. Oh, young. He's going right for the ambulance. Oh, look at that, boy. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Campers are keeping young blood.
With weather like this, staying indoors is a wise choice if you don't want to be part of the storm. A big storm hits and the doorbell camera captures the moment nature gets angry. Oh my God, who would have thought that a peaceful morning would be exploded this way? In that moment, the sky of Antigua became a living picture, glowing with the power of lightning. Incredibly, Storm Chaser captured the tense moment of a large tornado spinning near Morton. The powerful tornado not only blew away dust, but also turned the whole road into a chaotic battle. Always update the weather to be thoroughly prepared before traveling. Safety comes first. Storm Isha swept through like a fury, turning the gas station's front yard into a garbage party. Californians experienced a moment of fear as lightning ripped through the sky. A bolt of lightning crashed straight down into the tree in front of the house, making the whole neighborhood shiver. During a fierce thunderstorm, lightning struck the Memphis Bridge, creating a spectacular scene. When a storm arrives, quickly move to a safe area.
And, yeah, hold on.
Strong winds came from northeast Montana, carrying every blade of grass across the street, as if it were sweeping away everything in sight. The dog skates skillfully, surprising everyone. Oh my God, an unexpected incident. Fortunately, everything is okay. December 28th. A powerful storm hits Alabama's Mobile Bay with intense rain and lightning. A major fire broke out at the oil port in Cabamas, Venezuela on October 15th after lightning struck a storage tank. thunder boomed across the sky over western Nebraska, creating an incredible display. Ontario's thunderstorms not only brought rain, but also hail, creating powerful and unexpected impacts. Each stone fell from the sky into West Virginia, as if it wanted to pierce the ground. The sky was angry. Granbury received a hailstorm that covered the whole town like a snowstorm in the middle of summer. A fire tornado suddenly forms on the walkway when the meteorologist ignites the ice.
Oh my God, that was amazing.
Oh my God, what a turbulent landing of a model plane. Every drive, every accelerator, is a choice between safety and risk. Let all your journeys always be filled with joy. The lightning hit the tree and it exploded like a firework in the dark night. Their wedding photos became special and unique with the presence of nature in an unforgettable way. The storm not only knocked down trees, but also caused power lines to burn in a ghostly light. Central Colorado has seen a massive wildfire caused by lightning, reminding us of the unpredictable power of nature. A thunderstorm has caused flash floods in Tokyo, while southern Japan is preparing for the storm. In the midst of a fierce thunderstorm, the roof of an indoor playground in northern England suddenly leaked, causing rainwater to flood into the play area. As the storm passed, the Chicago skyline was lit up by lightning streaking across the sky, making the scene mysterious. A tense and unbelievable moment in the middle of a storm. A moment filled with tension, when nature truly displayed its terrifying power right before his eyes. While working, workers escaped when electrical wires were struck by a storm, causing a fire on a New Jersey road. Oh, I can't believe it. Lightning strikes so strong that tiles fly off roofs in Arizona. During a fierce storm, Target employees in Delaware proved resilient in protecting their stores. A weather enthusiast happened upon a breathtaking scene of a plane being struck by lightning amid a stormy sky.
Okay, hold Charlie Tam. Hold Charlie Tam. Here it comes.
100 mph winds whipped into Missoula during a powerful storm, and everything seemed to fly. Nature truly tests our endurance.
Hold on, here. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Turn around, turn around. Hold on, I gotta get you. Get in. Go. Everybody in. Go.
Violent hail fell on Arkansas Lake during a major storm, causing the landscape to change in the blink of an eye. Lightning struck the flagpole in Oklahoma, causing soil to fly, showing the powerful destruction of nature. Never be subjective. Always follow weather warnings and protect yourself during thunderstorms. On March 31st, the Florida Space Coast witnessed severe thunderstorms with continuous and powerful lightning strikes. On March 30th, red dust swirled into a swirling funnel in Paragould, Arkansas, creating a dramatic scene.
Yeah, nope. That is rotation right there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not.
Maybe a second more way?
Yeah, nope.
The sky over central Kansas was plunged into darkness as a dust storm swept through, creating a scene that surprised everyone. While a dust storm warning was in place, strong winds caused damage in Pueblo, Colorado. A lake-effect snowstorm blanketed parts of Buffalo, making for a mystical scene. During a snowstorm in central Arizona, a brave driver braved snowy conditions to continue his journey. Time-lapse video captures the winter wonderland of Yosemite Valley, leaving you lost in an enchanting world of white snow. A fast-moving snowstorm is rolling through Wyoming like a wave of snow washing over everything in its path. Lightning struck strongly when a man in Georgia was covering the grill, startling him and making him unable to react. The fire raged fiercely and the historic bell tower collapsed right before our eyes, making everyone shudder. Time-lapse shows the storm forming in western Nevada, an unforgettable sight. In the Florida Panhandle, trees burned immediately after being struck by lightning, demonstrating the powerful destruction of nature. Wow. Swarms of bees in the New York City subway station. It looks like they're taking advantage of the free subway service to escape the summer heat. It seems like nature decided to create a special meeting for the bees. Security cameras recorded strong winds blowing away a basketball hoop in southern Louisiana, only to have it straighten up again shortly after during the storm. A rooftop party in New York suddenly had more special effects when a strong wind visited. Lightning struck a power pole right in front of a Queensland man who was stopped at a traffic light. It's an electric shock no one wants to experience.
Oh, well, boom, power's gone.
Nature always knows how to overwhelm and surprise people.
Ini yang namanya momen yang ini momen terbaik saya selama itu cepat sekali perubahan suhu yang.
Hail fell as if it wanted to turn the street into a temporary skating rink. Love the content? Consider leaving a super thanks and help us create more videos for you. Like a scene from a fantasy movie, the crescent moonlight appeared on the ground during the solar eclipse in Dallas, creating a spectacular and striking sight. A magical moment of nature. The collapse of the building at the Didcot Power Station in Oxfordshire is a significant event, reminding us of the potential risks to industrial structures. This site serves as a reminder of the need for safety in all sectors. The entire sky of Alaska lit up when the northern lights appeared, like a magnificent dance of lights. What a show, an unforgettable performance by nature. The Puerto Rico Dam was on the brink of collapse, forcing thousands of people to evacuate immediately. A tense moment reminding us of the importance of disaster preparedness. From the southeast of Mount Etna, a new vent opened, and dense smoke spiraled up, swirling through the sky of Sicily. A powerful and impressive sight, showcasing both the strength and beauty of nature. A giant wind turbine in Germany suddenly broke and collapsed, creating a surprising scene. Nature always finds ways to amaze us with its strength. A stunning photo from Missouri captured the moment when the sun was covered by the moon. This solar eclipse sight left everyone unable to contain their excitement and admiration. A peaceful afternoon at Dorset Bay suddenly turned into a dramatic scene when part of a large cliff collapsed unexpectedly. The power of nature is truly unpredictable. The northern lights illuminated the sky in Manitoba, creating a magical light show that felt like a scene from a cosmic movie. A wonderful and mesmerizing moment of nature. The cliff collapsed into the sea when an earthquake shook Christchurch, demonstrating nature's terrifying power and the profound impact of natural phenomena.
What?
Drivers in Madison, Indiana were truly surprised when the tranquil waterfall at Hanging Rock Hill suddenly turned into a raging stream. This scene left everyone amazed at the rapid change in nature.